Alright, so we're going to write an equation for and graph a parabola with the given characteristics. We have the focus is 2, 1 and the vertex is negative 5, 1. So I want to plot these points first. So if I plot these points, I want to see what my graph looks like. So I'm going to plot positive 2, 1. And then I'm going to plot negative 5, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then go to 1. Alright, so this is my vertex, and then this is my focus. So remember, the focus has to be inside the inside the cup. So my graph is going to look something like this. So when I know the orientation of my graph, I'm able to know which equation that I need to use. So the one that I need to use is the y minus k squared equals 4p times x minus h. Alright, so I'm going to write that down. So I'm going to use the equation form y minus k squared is equal to 4p times x minus h. Alright, so I already know what k and h are. So this is h, negative 5, k is 1. I just need to find 4p. Remember, p is the distance from the vertex to the focus, and also the vertex, the same distance from the vertex to the directrix. Alright, so if I'm looking at this distance from the vertex to the focus, I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So P is going to be a 7, and since it's opening to the right, it's going to be a positive. So this is a positive 7. Alright, so since it's a positive 7, then my P, since it opens up positive in a positive x direction, then P is going to be 7. So I'm going to substitute into this equation. So I have y minus k. K is 1 squared is equal to 4 times P, which is 7, times x minus negative 5, which is h. So I have y minus 1 squared is equal to 28 times x plus 5. So this would be actually my equation for this parabola here. And you can always check to see if you have the right equation. If you go to Desmos.com, you can actually put this equation into Desmos, and it should give you this graph here. Alright, so that's it.